Hello students, today we are starting exercise 1D, in which you will understand how you can find rational numbers between two numbers. First question of this exercise is find a rational number between a and b if a is equals to 1 upon 5 and b is equals to 1 upon 4. We have two methods to find rational number, but here they are asking only one rational number between these two rational numbers. So it will be easy to find using method. We have a method, a formula to find rational number between two numbers, which is here q is indicating rational number 1 upon 2 a plus b, where a and b are two given rational numbers. You want to find rational number which is q, write 1 upon 2 in bracket, put the value of a which is 1 upon 5 plus b is 1 upon 4. Solve the bracket first. 1 upon 2 in bracket we have 1 upon 5 plus 1 upon 4. We want to add these two. So for this we need to make their denominators equal by taking LCM. So LCM will be 20. To make this 520 you will multiply it by 4. So multiply this numerator by 4 plus 4 5s are 20. So multiply this numerator by 5. 1 upon 2, solve the bracket. 4 1s are 4 plus 5 1s are 5 upon 20. Open the bracket now. This is 1 upon 2. This is outside the bracket. It means it will be in multiplication. 5 plus 4 is 9 upon 20. So this is equals to 9 ones are 9 in numerator, and in denominator we have 2 multiplied 20, that is 40. So the rational number between 1 upon 5 and 1 upon 4 is 9 upon 40. This is your answer. Using formula you can easily find one rational number, but when they are asking for more than one rational number like 10 rational number, 100 rational number, in that case we adopt different method. Okay, now look at the C part. A is minus 5 upon 6 and B is minus 2 upon 5. Let's do it. 1 upon 2 multiply, in bracket we have a plus b. 1 upon 2 multiply, put the value of a and b. A is minus 5 upon 6 plus b is minus 2 upon 5. Solve the bracket first. 1 upon 2 multiply, denominators are different, so you will take LCM. LCM of 6 and 5 will be 30. To make this 630 you will multiply it by 5. So multiply this numerator also by 5. Plus, to make this 530 you will multiply it by 6, because 5 6 are 30. So multiply this numerator which is minus 2 by 6. Close the bracket. Now 1 upon 2, 5 5s are 25 of minus sign, plus minus minus 2 6 are 12 upon 30. Now 1 upon 2 multiply, both have minus sign, so sign will be minus and the values will be added. 25 plus 12 will be 37 upon 30. Here numerator and denominators are not divisible by any same number, so we will simply multiply them. 37 ones are 37 of minus sign, 32s are 60. So rational number between minus 5 upon 6 and minus 2 upon 5 is minus 37 upon 60. So here student, I have done A and C part. B part you will do yourself. Now the next question, find two rational numbers between minus 2 and 2. Integers are also rational numbers because we can write them in the form of P upon Q. Okay, minus 2 can be written as minus 2 upon 1, which is a rational number, and 2 can be written as 2 upon 1, which is also a rational number. So on number line, when you represent integers, how do you write? 0, 1, 2. -1, -2, and these can be written as -2 upon 1, -1 upon 1, 0 upon 1, 1 upon 1, 2 upon 1. Okay, they are asking just two rational numbers, and we have three rational numbers between -2 and 2. So you can name any two rational numbers. आप कोई भी two rational numbers लिख सकते हैं between -2 and 2. So between -2 and 2 we have three rational numbers, but they were asking two rational numbers, so I am writing -1 and 0. Students, in rational numbers your answers can be varied. You can have different answers. How? I can write -1 and 0, two rational numbers. You can write 0 and 1 rational number. Any one of you can write -1 and 1 rational numbers. But all are correct now, because between these two rational numbers we have all three rational numbers. In fact, so many others, और भी बहुत सारे rational numbers हैं. Okay. Now find three rational numbers between -7 upon 2 and -2. Students, to find rational numbers, firstly we will make their denominators equal. Students, they have given two rational numbers, -7 upon 2 and -2, and they are asking three rational numbers between these two rational numbers. Okay, firstly we will make their denominators equal. This -2 can be written as -2 upon 1, and I want to make denominator 2, so multiply this numerator and denominator by 2. Now it becomes 2 2s are 4 of minus sign upon 2. Okay. Now, but between -7 upon 2 and -4 upon 2, denominators are same, and on number line if you put -7 and -4, how many integers are there between them? -7, -6, -5 and -4. We just have two integers. Okay, but you want to find three rational numbers between them. Okay, so -7 upon 2 and -4 upon 2, if we draw a number line, we have two rational numbers between them, -6 upon 2 and -5 upon 2. So to make more rational numbers, to find more rational numbers, we will multiply this numerator and denominator by again 2. This is -7 2s are 14 upon 2 2s are 4, -4 2s are 8 upon 2 2s are 4. Now between them, how many rational numbers you can find? -14, -13 upon 4, -12 upon 4, -11 upon 4, -10 upon 4, -9 upon 4. We have how many rational numbers between them? 1 2 3 4 5, and they are asking three rational numbers. So you can write any three rational numbers. I am just writing these three rational numbers here. Three rational numbers. This can be written as 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14, which they have given in the question. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So between -7 upon 2, between, I am writing in short, -7 upon 2 and -2, rational numbers are -13 upon 4, -12 upon 4 and -11 upon 4. Students, as I said, answers may vary. It may possible that your answer does not match with answer sheet, because between any two rational numbers, so many rational numbers are possible. You can put, or you can pick, or you can write any three or any two, whatever they are asking in the question. Okay. Next, find four rational numbers between -1 and -1 upon 2. Firstly, they have given first rational number, which is -1 and -1 upon 2. This -1 can be written as -1 upon 1. First, make their denominators equal. it has 1 in denominator, it has 2 in denominator, so you will make the denominator 2 by multiplying by 2. Okay, now it becomes 2 ones are 2 of minus sign and 2 ones are 2 in denominator. Okay, now denominators are same, but if you check in numerator we have minus 2 and minus 1. On number line, if you put minus 1 minus 1, 0, minus 1 minus 2, we don't have any integer between them. Okay, so to find four rational numbers, we will multiply this number by any greater number. Okay, let's check it after multiplying by 2, numerator and denominator by 2, minus 1 upon 2 by 2. Why we are multiplying both the rational numbers? Because denominators should be same. Okay, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4 of minus sign. This is 2 1s are 2 of minus sign, 2 2s are 4. But between minus 2 and minus 4, what is there? Minus 3, only one rational number we can find here. Okay, so multiply this 2 upon 2 by 3. 3 से multiply करके check करते हैं. This by 3. So 3 2s are 6 of minus sign, 3 2s are 6. Okay, 3 1s are 3 of minus sign, 3 2s are 6. Now between this minus 6 and minus 3, how many integers are there? Minus 5, minus 4. So you can find just two rational numbers between them, but they are asking four rational numbers between them. Okay, so instead of this 3, let's multiply with any greater number. Let's check with 4. 4 से multiply करके check करते हैं. 4 4 4 4 4 2s are 8 of minus sign, 4 2s are 8, 4 1s are 4 of minus sign, 4 2s are 8. Now we have how many integers between them? Minus 8, minus 7, minus 6, minus 5 and minus 4 is this. We just have 3 integers between them. So we can find only 3 rational numbers, but they are asking how many rational numbers they are asking? They are asking 4 rational numbers. So multiply it next natural number से multiply करके check करते हैं by 5. Multiply it by 5. 5 2s are 10 of minus sign, 5 2s are 10. 5 1s are 5 of minus sign, 5 2s are 10. Now check the integers between minus 10 and minus 5. Minus 9, minus 8, minus 7, minus 6 and then minus 5. Now we have 4 integers between these two. And they were asking 4 rational numbers. So denominators will be same. Minus 10 upon 10, minus 9 upon 10, minus 7 upon 10, minus 6 upon 10. Okay, and this can be written as, in question it was 10 1s are 10 of minus sign. It was 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, which was given in the question. Question में यही given था कि -1 and -1 upon 2 के बीच में rational numbers find out करने हैं. So these are the rational numbers between -1 and -1 upon 2. Again students, answers may different for different students. Student can find any other rational numbers between these two rational numbers, or answer sheet may have different rational numbers. So don't get confused. Answers will be right if you will follow the correct method. Okay. Next, find 6 rational numbers between -1 and 0. This is integer -1 and 0. You can write it in the form of p upon q. So this is rational number also. Now denominators are same, but if we make number line, this is 0 and this is -1. We don't have any integer between these two numbers. Okay, so we will multiply this number by any other number. They said 6 rational numbers ना, so let's multiply by 6. 6 से multiply करके check करते हैं. 6 1s are 6 of minus sign, 6 zeros are 0 upon 6 ones are 6. Now between them let's check the rational numbers. Minus 5 upon 6, minus 4 upon 6, minus 3 upon 6, minus 2 upon 6, minus 1 upon 6, then 0 upon 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are just 5 rational numbers. And how many rational numbers they were asking in the question? 6 rational numbers. So we will multiply these numerator and denominator by one greater number. Greater number से multiply करते हैं by 7. Okay, 7 ones are 7 of minus sign upon 7 ones are 7. 7 zeros are 0, 7 ones are 7. Now check the rational numbers between these two. Minus 7 upon 7, minus 6 upon 7, minus 5 upon 7, minus 4 upon 7, minus 3 upon 7, minus 2 upon 7, minus 1 upon 7, and this can be written as 7 ones are 7 of minus sign, and this can be written as 0 in numerator, so it can be written as 0. So between minus 1 and 0, which they have given in the question, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These 6 rational numbers. You may have any other 6 rational numbers. Okay, so this is your answer. Next, insert 10 rational numbers between minus 3 upon 11 and 8 upon 11. Firstly, check on number line. They have given minus 3 upon 11, 8 upon 11. Denominators are already same, so no need to make the denominators same. Okay, if I check these numerators, how many integers can be formed between these two numerators, between these two integers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Okay, between these minus 3 and 8, these two integers, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 rational numbers. So we can easily find rational numbers between minus 3 upon 11 and 8 upon 11. Okay, put the 11 in denominators. So between minus 3 upon 11 and 8 upon 11, we have 10 rational numbers. These 10 rational numbers, which is minus 2 upon 11, minus 1 upon 11, 0 upon 11, 1 upon 11, 2 upon 11, 3 upon 11, 4 upon 11, 5 upon 11, 6 upon 11, 7 upon 11. Okay, so this is your answer. Next, insert 100 rational numbers between minus 3 upon 13 and 9 upon 13. Students, minus 3 upon 13 and 9 upon 13 they have given. Okay, large number of rational numbers they are asking. Firstly, we will check the numerator. How many integers are possible between minus 3 and 9? Minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Only 11 integers are possible between minus 3 and 9. Okay. So what we will do here? We will multiply the numerator and denominator of these rational numbers by the larger number. So let's check by 10. Multiply करते हैं 10 से. Okay, this is minus 30 upon 130 and this is 90 upon 130. They are asking 100 rational numbers. So if you check from minus 30 between these two rational numbers, so between these two rational number will start minus 29 upon 130, minus 28 upon 130. Similarly, from minus 29 upon 130 to 0, how many rational number will be there? From minus 29 upon 130 to 1 minus 1 upon 130, how many rational numbers are there? 29 rational numbers. Then we have 0 upon 130, 1 rational numbers, 30 rational numbers हो गए ऑलरेडी. कितने और निकालने हैं? 100 rational number पूछे थे. 30 we have already found. How many remaining? 70 rational numbers. तो आगे काउंटिंग कहाँ तक लेकर जाएंगे? 70, 1 upon 130, 2 upon 130, 3 upon 130, 70 upon 130. Okay, so minus 29 upon 130 to minus 1 upon 130, there are 29 rational numbers. This is one rational number, and this is 1 to 70, 1 upon 130 to 70 upon 130. How many rational numbers are there? 70. So total rational numbers we have found. 29 plus 1 is 30, plus 70, 100. Okay, so 100 rational numbers will be minus 29 upon 130 to 70 upon 130. No need to write all the numbers, just write the starting point, dot dot dot, ending point. Okay. Next, question number 8. Find, first part is 6 rational numbers. Okay, minus 5 upon 8, 3 upon 8 they have given. Firstly, denominators are same, so no need to make the denominators equal. Check the integers between minus 5 and 3. Between minus 5 and 3 there will be minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and then 3. So between minus 5 upon 8 and 3 upon 8 there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are rational numbers, but they were asking for the 6. So you can choose any 6. You can write any 6 rational numbers out of these rational numbers. Okay. Next they are asking 60 rational numbers. 5 upon 8, minus 5 upon 8, 3 upon 8. So just 10 times of this 6. So multiply कर देते हैं 10 से ही. Near about, we are not sure that we will get the same number or not, but we are just making near about. तो ज़रूरी नहीं है exact number of rational find out करो. You can find near about. You can choose, if you are finding extra rational numbers in exam, you can write those rational numbers which they have asked in the question. अगर 6 पूछें तो उसमें से 6 लिख दो, 7 पूछें तो 7 लिखो. Okay. So this is minus 50 upon 80 and this is 30 upon 80. So let's check. Between minus 50 upon 80, minus 49 upon 80 to 1 minus 1 upon 80. How many rational numbers are there? 49 rational numbers, 1 to 49. No? Now 0 upon 80, again 1 rational number. Then 1 upon 80 in positive to 29 upon 80. 30 तो ये already है. 29 upon 80. These are 29 rational numbers. So how many total rational numbers we have? 49 plus 1, 50 plus 29, 79 rational numbers we have found. But they were just asking for the 60 rational numbers. So you will choose any 60 rational numbers between them. आप इनके बीच में कोई भी 60 rational numbers लिख सकते हैं. आप लिख सकते हैं minus 49 to minus 1 लिख दीजिए. Then 0, 50 हो गए. Then you need just extra 10. तो आप सिंपल लिख सकते हैं minus 49 upon 80 to minus 1 upon 80. 49 rational numbers. Then 0 upon 80, 49 plus 1, 50 rational numbers, 10 और rational numbers चाहिए. So 1 upon 80 to 10 upon 80. These are total 60 rational numbers. You can choose any 60. Next, between any two distinct integers, there is always an integer. They said between any two distinct integers. For example, 1 and 2. Always an integer. This is not necessary. If we take 3, between 1 and 3, there is an integer 2. Between 1 and 3, there is an integer 2. But if we talk about the 1 and 2, there is not any integer. 1 और 2 के बीच में कोई integer नहीं है. Okay, so this statement is false because they said always an integer. Next, B part, between any two distinct rational numbers, there is always a rational number. Sure. If we talk about 1 and 2, same numbers, these are rational numbers because we can write them in the form of P upon Q. And as I said, we can have so many rational numbers between two rational numbers. Okay, you can multiply it by 2, 2, 2, 2. This is 2 upon 2 and this is 4 upon 2. Now we have rational number between them, 3 upon 2. If we multiply by any other larger number, we get more rational number between them. Okay, so between any two distinct rational number, there is always a rational number. True. हमेशा rational number हो सकता है. You can find any number of rational number between two rational numbers. Next, C part, between any two distinct rational numbers, there are infinitely many rational numbers. Of course, as I said, if you will multiply the rational number minus 2 upon 1, 3 upon 1 by the larger numbers, for example 10, 10, 10, 10. This is minus 20 upon 10, 30 upon 10. In this case, you have minus 19 upon 10, then minus 18 upon 10, minus 17 upon 10, minus 16 upon 10, 0 upon so on. So many rational numbers we have. If we multiply by 100, we get so many more rational numbers between them. Okay, so between two distinct rational numbers, there are infinitely many rational numbers. This is true. So students, today we have completed exercise 1D. Lot of practice is required in these questions because sometimes students get confused to find the rational numbers. But make it clear in your mind that if they are asking one rational number between two numbers, simply use the formula 1 upon 2 in bracket a plus b. And if they are asking for the more rational numbers between two rational numbers, try to use the multiplication method. Okay. Now, if you have doubt in any question, you can contact me personally. Thank you. Have a good day.